to be. Turn it up. The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
It is time for us to get into our Oscar Man for today. Anonymous is already on the line. Naked DJ is here. Somizi is also here. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning.
How are you doing this morning, Anonymous?
I'm doing okay. I feel so I'm doing okay, yeah.
Besides all your problems, you're doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing okay, yeah, except my problems and Bafana.
Hey, it's all of us. You are not alone. It's all of us on that one. Okay, Anonymous, let me take you through a few house rules, okay?
All right.
All right, Anonymous. Respect is the order of the day. No swearing or profanities in any foul language. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you will be speaking about. Is that clear, and do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
All right, Anonymous. Somizi and Naked DJ and the rest of South Africa are listening to you. What's bothering you?
All right. Okay, it's Anonymous. My situation started last year around September. Yeah. There's this girl that I've been pursuing, and we are from different provinces. So I don't know, can you hear me well?
Yes, you are very clear, Anonymous.
All right, yeah, we are from different provinces. I work at a different province, and she was staying at a different province. So where I work, I made plans that she was unemployed, so I made plans for her to come and work with us. And then she came, so she couldn't travel province to province every day. And then I had my own plans, obviously. So I made a plan for her that come on, just come and stay with me until you get your own place. And then at first, it was a bit of a problem because we were not dating. We are not dating even now. So until she agreed, because the transport and she couldn't travel province to province every day, early in the morning and after work. Then she agreed to come and stay with me. We've been staying together since January this year. And yeah, it's I realized after 3 months or 4 months that I don't think she's exactly what I wanted, because the more you stay with someone, the more you see that this is not what I want. And that's the problem number one. Problem number two is that I think we want different things. I know. You're not gonna judge me, obviously, but I'm at a point where I feel like, I know it's still early days, but I think we want different things. She has it. I don't have anything, and I want one, obviously. I know it's still early, but I want one, obviously, and she doesn't think that way, and that's another problem. So my issue, for now, since I don't feel the same way about her anymore because of these reasons. I don't know how to tell her that you know what, this thing is not working for us, because I'm currently I don't have a girlfriend, and I'm at a point where I am looking. I am single and I am available, so I am looking. So sometimes you might find that I find potentials, and then it becomes difficult for I'm a guy, I can't invite them over because and I feel like go jail, because So that's my situation. I don't know how to deal with this situation. Because now I think now she's fallen for me one rather one hour to share. So I don't know how to deal with this situation. I don't know. I think she might end up thinking hore make about to and at first I saw someone that I can build something with, but currently I don't feel the same way anymore. I don't know. I just want a better way to tell her that this thing is not working for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, your issue is really not as bad as I thought it would be.
Okay.
You've never kissed, never done anything intimate.
We've been doing everything.
Yeah?
We did everything.
You did everything, but Ali Jolie.
We sleep in the same bedroom.
But what do you mean then if you say
So amazing.
about Jolie?
She needed a place to stay. He's got his own place. Our Jolie, they just, I guess it's that sex for, it's convenient. It's
Yeah.
convenience.
Not
Yeah.
really, man. Then in that
Homosexual.
no, she's not a homosexual because he offered. She did not suggest that she wants to stay at his house. And in that case, then I am perplexed, vexed,
Why?
infuriated,
Why?
frustrated, flabbergasted.
Okay.
But more than anything, I'm vexed. And that word, Ngizwe Sarafin, that I to this day,
Yeah.
I don't know how it is. He said, but when I send you chocolates and flowers, you say I make you vex. Ooh.
Wow.
You give your sweetheart the chocolate. Okay. So you make my perspiration comments for cover me. So I want when we come back,
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you exactly why I am so. What's the other word for kwata? King kwata ka spedi.
Kukwata ka spidi kukwata, like kukwata ko silikera, kukwata.
You are livid.
Yeah, one select.
Okay.
All right.
It's where you want to be.
It is where you want to be. We're right within Ask a Man for today. An anonymous was pursuing a lady for a while, and last year he was able to find a job opportunity for her at his workplace. So she got the job, and because she lives in a different province, he offered a place for her to stay at his home, and she moved in with him. Now, they haven't really defined their relationship, but they live like a couple and are intimate with each other. After all these months of living together, he has now realized that there are things about her that he doesn't like and is no longer interested in building something solid with this woman. Now, he doesn't know how to break things off with her, and he thinks she is now head over heels and even more in love with him. So, Anonymous, did I get that right?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay. So I will tell you why I was on your side, but until then I'm beginning to shift away from you. Because there's a part of you that sounds like you deceived her to a certain extent.
Okay.
Because you brought her into a space because you wanted to pursue a relationship, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. So it seems like now whatever happens or happened, you are taking advantage of her situation because she needed a place and then you offered the place, right?
Yes.
And then from then on, you were pursuing a relationship which led into you guys becoming intimate. And then after you've eaten the cake, you realize, no, you don't like fudge. You like tiramisu. So, and you still don't tell her. But you continue. So that's where my issue is. You know, I was like about to praise you to say, my guy, you're doing things the way I think partly they're supposed to be done. But now I find out you're sleeping in one bed and now she's not what you thought you wanted. And you gave your reasons, but I want to give me 3 reasons what you thought she was and what you know now she's not what you want.
Okay. The province that she stays at, it's my hometown. I grew up there, so I know her from a long time ago. And I saw her as someone, Alan Sharp, I saw her as a good woman. Until now, because now we're spending a lot of time together. Like, there are some of the things that don't turn off. I don't know if it's because I already ate the cake or what, but
my brother,
like,
Anonymous, you here to spill the beans. Tell us, what is it? She doesn't wear lingerie to bed, ugqoka iblumas, or she is a little bit filthy, she doesn't wash dishes, she doesn't share the chores with you, she's disrespectful, ingoli. Like, Somizi is looking for you to tell us the truth. Don't beat around the bush. We should not pussyfoot around issues. Go straight.
Okay, one thing is that she's lazy. She's too lazy. After work, the first thing she does when she gets home, unela phone, press a phone, and then I was like, okay, sometimes I know of late, and then you find out that I arrive 1 hour after her, and then when I get home, like, she hasn't done anything, busy her phone, and then when I was like, why do you prepare food? And she's like, I'm lazy, what. And it can happen almost 3 times in a week.
Mara, why?
And I'm like,
how hutla merokong asa tobetsi wena, how tobetse, how tshwara nkaru tshwara phone. Why asa tobetsi wena?
No, she doesn't mind on doing that. She does that. That one she doesn't.
So she's good at that.
Yeah. That department is fine. But
homonati man. Yeah.
Yeah, but the boring thing, I give a lazy man. She's too lazy. Yeah.
And then another one.
So amazing.
No, another one is that okay, she doesn't contribute financially, because I told her, no, you don't have to come and pay rent, but at least help me there and there. You don't have to live with me as if you are renting, but at least
do something.
Yeah, man, do something. I know you have responsibilities at home, but do something. So every time even if you ask her to do something that costs me and the plan, she'll look at you somehow as if maybe you are abusing her. So those kind of things, they are bored, because sometimes my work is very stressing. Sometimes when after work, like, if I not, I have my own problems, and then when I get home, I sure also get stress. So
Ibile akirilwena uthomile humbora first, because she needed a place to stay, and then she gets there, then when urubala liena.
Well, that's what she wanted also.
No, just consensual, naked. Just consensual.
Okay. Yeah, all right. That's what she wanted.
Okay, this is so exciting. So
okay.
Yeah.
What do you think he should do?
Nothing.
They should just continue to cohabit?
No.
He should let her go. But where is she going to go, Somi? Because remember, she doesn't have a place to stay.
Or she'll go back to Mahwelering.
He won't allow that, because in the bedroom, she's really great.
No, she must go back. Anonymous, I'm not going to give you advice. Like, I just want to ask you few things. What lessons did you learn from all of this?
As guys, ne.
Hold on. Anonymous.
Okay. Yes.
As guys, we're not a joyous celebration, we're a group.
Okay.
As you, I'm asking you, what lessons did you learn from this? You only
No, is that sometimes you have to take things slowly. Don't rush into it.
Right.
Yeah.
Take time to know.
Rush
yes.
Take time to know her.
Yes, that's right.
Not an
and another lesson that I learned is that don't think at work.
Don't what?
don't date at work.
Okay, so they met at work.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
sure he
very
got her the
dangerous.
job.
Hey,
Very
now it's
dangerous.
so-
Come and live with me.
Okay, don't date at work. Number 2, number 3. Lastly,
Yeah, only those two. I think only those two.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
My job is done here. You've learned your lessons. Just tell her how you feel and just nip it in the bud. Ne? Yeah, when you get home, you must just...
I'm just not impressed about the lessons that he learned.
Why?
Like, don't date at work.
Yeah, that's a lesson.
No, but you found her the job and then you continued to take advantage of her. Maybe one of the lessons should be never take advantage of people. And that you didn't. That's the biggest lesson that you should have learned.
Good point.
Like, if you want to be a nice person, be a nice person. You know, Anonymous, you guys, certain guys give us a bad name, you know? Just because you are nice, you got somebody a job. It's the humane thing to do.
Yabo?
You know, isn't hore, just because I got your job, now you are going to come here, then at least uzongipa something now. You know?
No, he used her.
And that's why a lot of us, you know, Somizi, have you ever come across women? No, you've never. Like, have you ever?
never know.
Yeah.
You never know. Carry on.
No, have you ever? You know, we have this thing, and it's become a pandemic for us nice guys. Like, when you help women, then they want to thank you sexually, and it's like, hi, bo, where did you guys learn this thing of thanking us sexual? Who said we wanted your sex?
But
We were helping you because we were once helped, and nobody expected sex in return.
But
why
you're a rare breed.
why nifuna ukusibonga ngekeke?
you are a rare breed. So you are dealing with people who are traumatized by their past, and they assume that every man that does something for you, it means you open your kunatra. And that's what I've always said, that raise your children well. Raise your boys to know how to treat girls, and raise your girls to know when to say no and set boundaries. Raise your girls to know that a bag of bagage, it doesn't mean you must open your bugu, you know?
Yeah.
So it's a two-way, and I don't like when people focus on one gender, saying you must raise your girls to be strong and to be this and that. No, raise both children to treat each other in a humane way.
Thank you.
Then we'll have, but unfortunately, everyone that's existing right now doesn't have those morals, you know. So it's either we do a Trump nuclear bomb,
Okay.
and everybody just vanishes.
No, there's a lot to live for.
No, there isn't. And then everybody vanishes, and then we leave one person, one male and one female. We start from scratch. Now we do the Bibele Volume 3.
And then they'll make a mistake and they'll have you as the male.
And no, they'll have me as a snake.
Anonymous, wena usile ne? I hope why it's a usile and
then you're well naked.
rautega.
Usile na, Anonymous.
Usile
Usile.
wena. Yeah, usile.
Yeah.
And I
That's
hope
your
you get
project.
what's coming for you. Yazin, at work, you must pray that she doesn't report you. To report her, hey, Ganti, this company, you get us jobs and then you want to sleep with us. Just pray her it doesn't happen there after you dump her. Ngisho someone will tell him
Yeah, no.
Anonymous,
That's the only thing that made me say don't date at work. Because now the problem is that almost everyone knows that. Like
yeah, exactly. Anonymous, let me tell you.
Okay.
Right now, you are Bafana. She is Mexico. We are Anonymous. I'm a red card. Uzodliwa. Like,
No,
you know?
she is Bafana.
No, like
You must Bafana.
no, but we're saying now.
In what sense?
Like going forward.
Okay.
Yeah, going forward, I don't see, because you do know what, once you kick her out, once you break up with her, you are in.
Yeah, it's gonna be a mess.
It's gonna be a mess.
Even my boss said, we suspect that there's something happening.
Exactly.
To you.
Yeah.
And the good thing that you must do is go report this to the HR so that you can know.
What's up with an HR? Because you are thinking with your totolozi, Anonymous.
Yes, Titulus.
Yeah. No,
Not-
but he did.
Anonymous, if-
Because he should have just been a
No,
kind
I'm
person
not
to her
disputing that.
and not do anything extra. And then what do they mean they suspect you guys are sleeping together? What did they see at work?
Sometimes we knock off because sometimes we work on weekends, so we knock off late, and then
No,
And
I was
then what
sometimes
happens?
she waits for me in the office so that we can
No.
live together.
Of course.
So yeah,
no.
and then sometimes they drop us at home, and then ba bona re follow ha go
obvious.
di one, but because
Anonymous, you are in trouble, Shem.
No, you are.
yeah.
So, Naked, I wasn't disputing that the part of Totolo's, but I have a problem. It's certain provinces you don't call Totolo's is.
It's like a Tswibinki.
It's a binky,
And we can
yes.
hear that he's a petty man, and
Yeah.
we've heard good things.
Mzapapa.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Oh, Utsweri,
Mzapapa.
Yeah.
is
Okay.
it?
And Naked, Ungeda, why are you interested? So-
Pelangisho, he says, yeah, Agatwaranga
No,
is a papa.
you don't have to ask, you know.
Okay.
You know, when Anonymous spoke about when she comes back from
Mm-hmm.
work, she's on the phone.
He's
Oh,
on the
okay.
phone.
She's on the phone,
Mm.
and he wants somebody to. I couldn't imagine that I am that person like that. You'd find your stove, 6 cooking, and the house will be clean. It's just that I'm in the wrong body, ne?
Or the wrong province. I'm sure it's Anonymous.
Yeah, probably. Am I in the wrong body or the wrong province, Anonymous?
Wrong province. I don't mind explaining that wrong province.
Sabuya!
Unlock the power of
Surprise knockout.
Turn it up for today's chart toppers. We've got your urban fix covered 24/7. Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
Oh, Anonymous, you say I'm in the wrong province. Okay, for real, it's fine. Let's stay in our provinces. Oh, shame. No, listen, Anonymous, be honest with her, ne? I think that the work one, you'll adjust to it. No one must lose their job, ne? Yeah, just fix the one. You know now she's not what you want. Don't waste any more time for her. Yeah. Yeah, just be
But now I was thinking of maybe setting a trap for her because I think I saw something on her
No, don't do that. Don't do that. You've already
Okay.
done wrong. You've already done wrong by manipulating her in a situation and taking advantage. Don't do that. Be a nice person, man. Be a nice, be a kind person. Be a good person. Just speak to her nicely and say, you know what, this is not working. And also, you're not rushing her to move out. And please have boundaries. She must respect her boundaries. Don't now, when you feel like you want to have sex, you can just do it with her and with her hoping that you're gonna change your mind. Don't do that. Just be kind. Don't do something that you wouldn't want it to be done to you. Ne?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, Papa, please go but to be a nice person. Remember, sometimes karma does not come to us. It finds our children. Remember that. Do you have children?
I don't have.
Okay.
He wanted kids, and she doesn't seem like she wants to have kids.
Well, you can't come to me then.
Oh, why?
Njani.
How?
Njani.
Medicine has improved, so means even amajita now, sesiyakhona nokupreventa, you never know.
No, you can prevent, but unfortunately.
Maybe you can, it's surrogate, iwomb yakho.
No, and then you must just do things direct. Don't do back
Yeah,
doors.
just tell her the truth. Tell her I said I loved you, but I lied.
Yes.
Thank
Yeah, I
you so
hear you
much.
guys.
Thank you so much, Anonymous. I loved you, but maybe I didn't really mean it. Michael Bolton with Said I Love You, But I Lied. 6 minutes to 11 o'clock on Metro FM. It's where you want to be. Get to help Anonymous this morning on the WhatsApp line on 060-552-7303. That's where you can send your voice notes and let Anonymous know what he needs to do. And if you'd like to call in, you can dial in on 086-000-2160. Let's start with calls. Metro, good morning.
Hello,
Hi, how are you doing? Sipo?
I'm great. I'm great, thanks. I'm great. Hey, I'd like to agree with Somizi for a change for once. Now I'm flabbergasted.
Yes, exactly that.
You know what, my guy? Hey, Mfethu, lo mchita is Shimane, Mfethu. My guy is Shimane, Mchita. See what naked. You see what this guy did, ne?
Mm-hmm.
He always wanted this woman from far, from Le Labubuya Kon. Now he took an advantage. So we have sisters, we have our girlfriends that Bafunum Sebin. So yeah, Namagaboni opportunity because he has power, so he's gonna use power against our South African woman. This guy is Shimane, man, young party.
I see, Paul, you're being a little bit too harsh.
Nah, but serious, boys. I don't cheat. I can dabaya. Now,
But now, Sipo, if at work they said, hey, we can see what you're doing with some of your subordinates, this might have to be reported to HR. You'd also be treading carefully going forward.
Okay, but why he took an advantage of a vulnerable woman there?
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's what we asked him.
So I think that's why I get him like Shimane, because chop and John. Yeah, that's what I call it. Chop and John. This guy is not so cool. I'm going to use an advantage of this.
Thank you so much, Sipo. All right. Let's get to hear your voice notes as well. 060-552-7303. What should Anonymous do?
Hi everyone. Anonymous, I think you are wrong because whatever that you did, you took very, very advantage of the girl. First, you have the Conantra first, and then you want to ditch the other girl. Did you even love this girl? Because there's no way you can do such a thing. And then you leave the girl. You took a very serious advantage of the girl, and you must do better. Change and be a better person.
Break it off, Anonymous. Break it off. Break it off. But first, declare it. Go HR before breaking it off. And then you're also saying, Anonymous, that she is not contributing anything in the house. I mean, she is contributing in kind. She's contributing in kind. I mean, that's what you wanted, isn't it? But, yeah, break it off.
Morning, Divu.
Morning.
I've been the receiver in this situation, and it never ends well, to be honest. He could have just communicated to her what he just told us easily. So he should leave her alone to find someone who's worth her time, and vice versa.
Thank you so much. Those are the voice notes that we received. Naked, is there anything you'd like to say in closing?
No. I think we said enough, and I think he gets the